Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss a question from class 11 economics chapter 9, that is environment and sustainable development. So the question is, outline the steps involved in attaining sustainable development in India. Answer: Sustainable development refers to the achievement of economic development by careful and judicial utilization of the natural resources so that the present generation's needs are fulfilled without compromising that of the future generations. It becomes our moral responsibility to hand over earth in good order to the future generation. Aligned with the view of a leading environmental economist, Herman Daly, India has taken the following steps to achieve the aim of sustainable development. Population control measures. India has promoted various measures to arrest population explosion. The various population control measures include spread of awareness and knowledge of birth control measures and literacy, use of environment supportive fuel. As the fuels such as petrol and diesel emit huge amount of carbon dioxide that leads to global warming, so the Indian government has promoted the use of CNG and LPG. These are clean, eco-friendly fuels that emit lesser smoke. Use of solar and wind energy. India became a moderate country is being a moderate country is enriched with sunlight and wind power. These are two free gifts of nature that is non-exhaustible. It solves the problem of economic growth with due focus on sustainable development, recycling and ban on plastic bags. The industrial and household wastes are accumulated on daily basis. There is a need to develop the habit of recycling be used as manure for organic farming. A very recent step taken by the Indian government is banning the use of plastic bags. This is a very good step as plastic bags do not get decomposed easily and leads to pollution while recycling. Pollution, tax and fines. Indian government has taken many steps to control pollution. Some of the measures are regular vehicle checkups, levying pollution tax on the industries emitting smoke. These measures are coupled with huge fines and even imprisonment for the lawbreakers. Use of input efficiency technology. The input efficient methods have been devised that not only increase the production and productivity but also efficiency with which the inputs are used. The efficient use of input on one hand leads to lesser exploitation of the natural resources and on the other hand enhances the future economic growth prospects of India. Thank you. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.